Her panties are falling off, Dad. You're shaking at him so bad. Oh, can't show that.
Alright, that's enough. Come here, I gotta button you up in the bed. Come here.
Stop shaking me like that.
What are you talking about?
Can you stop shaking me like that, Daddy?
Come here so we can, so I can button you up.
Shaking me.
Alright, just let me button you up. Watch out, put your hands up so I can button you up.
Stop it.
Alright, let me button you up for real this time. Stop moving. Stop moving.
Stop.
You don't like that? Do you like that? Oh, okay, Daddy. She doesn't like it.
Oh, you don't like it anymore? It was all fun and games a second ago.
I don't like it.
Take those panties off.